Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Maintaining your Dyson hairdryer is crucial for its longevity and effectiveness. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the essential steps for proper maintenance. Before we start, ensure you have the following tools handy: a small Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, and a microfiber cloth. First, unplug your Dyson hairdryer to ensure safety while working on it. Next, use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the device. Typically, there are 2 screws that need to be unscrewed carefully. Place the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift off the back cover. You may notice dust and debris accumulating inside the dryer. This buildup can affect performance, so it's essential to clean it out. Using the soft brush, carefully remove any dust or hair from the internal components. Be gentle to avoid damaging any wires or parts. If you find this process challenging or don't have the tools at hand, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. Our team can handle the maintenance for you, ensuring your device is in perfect condition. After cleaning, take a microfiber cloth and wipe down the exterior of the dryer. This not only keeps it looking new but also prevents dust from entering the unit again. If you notice any signs of wear or damage on the cord or body, it's best to address these issues immediately. Next, let's reassemble the hairdryer. Align the back cover with the main body and gently press it into place. Replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened securely without over-tightening, as this can strip the screws. Once everything is back in place, plug the dryer back in and test it to ensure it operates smoothly. If you encounter any issues or if the dryer does not start, don't hesitate to contact us. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can understand what needs to be repaired without any commitment. In case the hairdryer continues to have problems, you can also take advantage of our no calls, no travel service. Simply schedule a time for us to come to you, and we'll handle everything from there. And remember, you'll receive a quote before any repair work begins, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, regular maintenance is key to keeping your Dyson hairdryer working efficiently. Aim to clean it every few months or sooner if you notice a decline in performance. By following these steps, you can ensure your Dyson hairdryer remains a reliable tool for your styling needs for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.